The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on how to insert image and image gallery. To import existing media, click Insert. After that, click the picture. Then select the image and click Open. You can control the size of the image by dragging the edges and change its location by dragging and dropping it. You can also write on the image in several colors and lines. Starboard comes with a built-in image gallery relating to various topic areas. To bring an image, drag and drop it. The image can be resized. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.